How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube videos. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off and disable auto dubbing on your YouTube videos. So if you don't want YouTube automatically dubbing your content into other languages, follow along step by step, and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your YouTube Studio. To do that, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of your YouTube homepage. Then select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings. It's the little gear icon near the bottom. Now, a settings window will pop up. From here, click on Upload Defaults. At the top, you'll see a few different tabs. Click on the one that says Advanced Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Automatic Dubbing. You'll see a box that says Allow Automatic Dubbing. Go ahead and uncheck that box to turn it off. Once you've done that, click Save at the bottom. And that's it. You've now disabled auto dubbing for all of your future YouTube uploads. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can come back to this same menu and check that box again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.